how to fix Samsung S26 won't turn on with these 7 quick fixes. Okay, so the first fix is to force restart your S26. So first, let's force restart the phone by press and hold on the side button and volume down button at the same time. So let's do it now. Press and hold on both keys. Keep holding them until the Samsung logo appears. This can take up to 60 seconds, so don't let go too quickly while doing this. So press and hold. Press and hold on both keys. Okay, just wait. It can take some time. And you can see it takes quite long. The screen goes black, but it appears like it does nothing. So I want to continue to hold so you can see how long it takes for the screen to reboot itself. Now some people may lose patience, but just continue to hold. And there you can see the Samsung logo appear, and then you can let go of the buttons. Fix number 2, charge your S26. So if nothing happened, your battery may be completely drained. Connect your S26 to an appropriate charger and leave it charging for at least 1 hour. If the battery is completely dead, the charging indicator may take up to 10 minutes to appear, so don't worry if the screen stays black at first. Fix number 3 is to try another charger and cable. So still nothing? Try a different charger and USB cable. A faulty cable or charger could be the reason your S26 isn't charging. Use a known good compatible charger and connect it directly to a wall outlet. Fix number 4 is to check the charging port. So now you want to look for any dust, debris, or corrosions or damaged connections in your charging port. So also check that the USB-C cable fits securely and isn't loose. So when you're fitting the USB cable in here, make sure it is nice and fit, it is secure, it's not loose, and your phone is indicating that it is charging at the top here. Fix number 5 is to check for physical or liquid damage on the device. So now we want to check the phone and charging accessories for any physical or liquid damage. If your S26 was recently dropped, exposed to water, or the charging port is damaged, that could prevent the phone from turning on or charging. Okay, so check the cracked screen. If you have a cracked screen, then double check. Check for damaged USB-C port and any bent cable. Fix number 6 is to check if the phone is actually on. So here's one more thing you want to check is that your S26 might actually be on, but the screen could be the problem. Try calling the phone or listen for sounds and check whether it vibrates. If the phone responds, but the screen stays completely black, you may be dealing with a display problem rather than the power problem. If you have tried all these steps and your S26 still shows absolutely no signs of life, it may be time for professional service. At this point, the problem could be related to the battery, charging system, display, or other internal hardware. Now I recommend contacting Samsung support or arranging a repair rather than continuing to repeatedly try different chargers or forcing the phone to restart. And if your phone is swollen, extremely hot, smoking, or has significant physical or liquid damage, stop using it and don't continue charging it. Okay, so if your Samsung S26 won't turn on, start with the forced restart, then charge it for at least an hour. try another charger and cable and check the charging port and phone for damage. If it still shows no signs of life, Samsung support may need to take a look at it. If this video helped, subscribe for more Samsung S26 tips and troubleshooting. Thank you for watching this video.